Well, good morning. Back out here at the ballpark again. Go down by that sign and the scoreboard there. I had a hunt down there the other day, was real successful, but I'm gonna come up here and go along this edge right here, back around those pepper trees. It's kind of a walkway here. So, probably Benny. There it is. Benny. Pretty shiny one too. Yeah, this looks like a dime. About 2 feet away. There it is. I just saw it. There it is. Yep. Got a dime. Been here about 10 minutes. Not even that. Well, I'm going to take it really slow. I don't want to miss anything going down here. $13, $14, probably a bull tab. There's something. 28, 29, probably a dime or a quarter. Boy, pretty hot ground right here. Well, there's part of it right there. Really old bottle cap. Well, must have got it. There it is. All right. Eagleback, quarter. It's a little bit scuffed up. I can't make out the date on it. But we got a quarter out of that deal. Looks good to hear for a quarter to me. Oh, wait a minute. Wow. There's part of the signal. It's an old bottle top. And I'm thinking that's where the coin's at, if there is. There, yep. It's a quarter again. Wow. It's Eagleback, but it's not an old, well, I can't tell. Another quarter right there. Good signals. Buried with a little bit of trash too. Solid 15 here. Normally I wouldn't dig this, but a couple days ago when I was out here, I got 2 nickels out of a 15. So that's what I'm thinking now. Don't pass them up. Especially, well, there's more denser. Another old beer bottle cap. That's 15 for trash. But I found nickels the other day at on a 15, so we'll go with that. Probably another penny right there. Nope. Yeah, a little hair clip of some sort. Not really sure. Got a solid 19 here. There it is. Wow. It's 5 pesos, I think. I have to look that one up. Yeah, but darn. That's a nice find though. So yeah, it's got a 5 on it, something a head. And doesn't look, I can't make it out. That'll be a good one to look up. Well, I got a good 13 here. 12, 13. Got to dig those 12, 13s. And there can be a pull tab or a nickel. Or some other type of trash. Like I haven't found a pull tab yet. By golly. Paid off, Larry. There's you a nickel. Gotta go for it sometimes. That's usually my best find. Well, I gotta dig this one. About 3 feet from where I just found that penny. Should be a quarter here. There it is. Boy, these quarters are right pretty much on the surface there, for the most part. Okay, wrapping it up here today, or this morning. An hour and a half hunt. And I did pretty good this morning. Had a pretty good haul. There's my trash, not much. The lighter was practically, I just kicked it up by accident. Not much trash, but I did real good on the coins. 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 2 nickels, which you know I always get excited about that. 2 dimes. The pennies, I think this one right here is 1963, so I'll make it a copper, 95% copper. And this is some type of a token, I'm not sure, peso or something, I'll look that up. And they're in this eagle back here, I think it's the 1970s or something. I can't, anyways, I'll have to look at it a little closer. There might be a little more silver in that. Anyways, all in all, you can see, it's a pretty good haul for today. So now, that's it for me. I'm gonna wrap it up today. Warming up. Thanks for coming along, by the way. I enjoyed it.